All right, so the car is done. It took us a while to get back to it, to post anything because of all the holidays, Christmas and New Year's, but we're back and ready to continue the work on this car. So the car came back from the frame shop. Everything is done. They changed the skin on it, you can't even tell. And then the painter went through it and bonded everything that needed bonded, and then also primed everything that was bonded where the work was done. He went and primed this, so what we have to do now is sand down everything and pretty much prep it for paint. But before we're gonna do that, we want to give it a good wash and then start working on it. So let's go.
Alright, the car it's all clean. Actually didn't get to enjoy driving this car, but already washed 3 or 4 times. Now we're gonna start sanding.
All right, so we just cleaned the car. It's clean and ready to go. We're about to sand this down where the primer was sprayed. But if you guys saw the damage before, it was really bad around this area right here, and then this was pushed in. Everything is it looks like new right now. And next step will be to sand it down with 600 where the primer is, and then blend it with 1000 on the quarter panel. There was a little dent right here, if you guys remember. It was taken out. It looks really nice. This is ready to go, and then we're gonna continue working here. So we're done sanding down with the 600. We're gonna move on to the 1000 and sand down where the blend is gonna happen right here on the quarter panel. All right, guys. So before we're gonna start sanding anything, we're gonna tape all the edges so we don't touch the extra parts that we don't want to paint. We're gonna tape the trims right here on the window, the bumper, and then the tail light for now.
I think it's good enough, right?
Yeah, it's
If
pretty good.
anything, if we didn't get it close enough, then the painter is gonna finish everything. So, because anyways, he has to come back on Monday. Today's Friday, and the car is gonna stay outside till Monday. That's why we don't want to peel this and fix this part. So he's gonna have to send this part over there and maybe go behind us because we're still new with this sanding stuff.
Yeah.
But the skirt, we're not gonna worry about the skirt. And why?
There's like a little bit of damage here.
Yeah.
So there's no point in painting it. We're just gonna maybe save it. We don't want to throw it away yet, just save it because we bought wide body for this thing. And it's not just anything like small, but it's something really big. It's something crazy.
Body, man, I'm telling you, that thing comes like the whole fender over here. It has some fat skirts like about up to here. We're gonna have to go with like 13-inch wheels, which is 3-piece wheels. So you have to special order them and wait for. It sucks because we gotta wait for from 8 to 11 weeks or whatever.
Yeah,
maybe
so
we'll find somewhere they already built. But yeah, the wheels are gonna be fat. The white body is gonna be crazy fat.
So the white body does come with the side skirt. That's why we're not planning to touch it right now.
Yeah, that's gonna go away.
Yeah, and it is coming from Florida, so they're working on the shipping right now.
And we're really excited now. The white body and color change. We still gonna paint the whole car this color to keep it original. But on top of that, we're gonna do a vinyl wrap.
Yeah, because the door is different color, right?
Yeah, right now the door is black.
So we want to paint the inside.
And we're just gonna paint the whole car, original paint, and then, but we don't know what color yet. So you guys stay tuned. When we're close enough to throw the vinyl wrap, we'll maybe ask your guys' opinion.
Yeah, let us know. You guys could comment on Instagram or maybe on even comments below. Let us know what you guys think. Give us some ideas. Send us some photos. And the white body is called clinched. So if you guys see pictures online with that, if you have ideas, then send it over to us. I will post some photos on this in our video so you guys can get an idea of what it looks like. But it will be different, of course, because we're gonna get custom wheels and also a custom color.
And we will drop the car lower too on the air suspension. That thing is gonna be sick. Dropping down, up, nice.
Yep.
Everything is coming, but kind of slowly.
Yeah, we were a little bit slow because of the holidays, but we're back on track right now.
Yeah. But now we're done with sanding. We're coming straight from work. Didn't get to eat anything, so catch you guys later because we gotta go and eat something. This is good, but dangerous too. You can't eat too much because, man, you gotta watch. New year, new me. What happened? I told myself no more soda, but it's only day 3 and I already had soda this year. It's not good. Now I gotta go to the gym and burn everything. The white body, guys, man, that thing is expensive though. How much did we get it for? Basically,
the arm and the leg.
Yeah, the white body and the wheels is gonna cost more than the car, I think. And we got it for a little cheaper. I mean, we found a little cheaper. We didn't get it, but the reason we didn't get that a little cheaper because was how long?
It was like 2 to 3 months.
Yeah,
they wanted
2 to 3 months to wait. That's too much. You can't do that.
We found other ones, but they did not look as good as this one.
This one was like the best one that we liked.
Yeah.
And it should be here in like 2-3 weeks, so it's not bad. After that, we can't really get the wheels right now because we don't know the offset. So after we install the white body, this one gonna go and shop for the wheels. And because it's 3-piece wheels, a special order, we're gonna have to wait again from, the guy said, from 8 to 11 weeks.
Yeah, so it does take a lot of time to finish this project, but
we don't want to just throw anything, some skinny wheels with spacers. We don't do that because I mean, if you spend that much money on the car, just make sure you get it right.
If you compare this one to different wide bodies, this one is way different. It comes with a lot more parts, and all the other ones we saw were cheap, and it only came with either just flares, 4 pieces, where it looked funny, like it didn't belong in the car. But this one, it looks like it's one piece with the car, and it looks really mean.
It goes all around. So we have the fenders, the spoiler in the back,
The front lip,
right? The big fat lip on the front. And we're probably gonna have to buy a diffuser and some other little things too.
Yeah, we have to see everything that comes in, how it looks, and if we need to add anything or not.
But definitely, guys, stay tuned because it's coming. Pretty fun build, it's coming. It takes a minute, but it's gonna be done right. So I'll catch you guys on different video next episode. Share our videos, stay tuned because you don't wanna skip this build.
Yeah, make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so you guys don't miss any of our videos coming up as well.
And find us on Instagram, Custom Auto Build. So see you guys later.